How to use AI in your business the right way. 3 simple steps. Using AI should feel like momentum, not more confusion. Here's how to build a smart, scalable AI system in your business. In the last video, we exposed the core mistake keeping most businesses stuck: using AI without a strategic use case. Now let's flip the script. Here are 3 concrete steps to go from random AI tools to results-driven systems that save time, earn money, and actually work. Step 1. Start with a high-impact use case. Forget the tool. Start with a business problem. Ask yourself, what's one thing I'd delegate immediately if I could? It might be missed follow-ups, content bottlenecks, or slow response times. That's your use case. AI works best when it's solving something real, like generating leads, streamlining client onboarding, or writing conversion-optimized emails. Step 2. Map a simple AI workflow. Don't stack tools, build a system. A real system looks like this. A lead fills out a form. AI scores the lead and segments it. Personalized emails are sent automatically. A text reminder follows on day 3. All actions are tracked in your dashboard. That's how you turn automation into outcomes. Step 3. Track ROI with a simple scorecard. You can't improve what you don't track. Create a basic weekly scorecard. How many hours did we save? How many leads did we generate? How many sales were influenced? Even rough numbers will show you what's working and what's wasting time. Bonus tip: start small, scale fast. You don't need a massive system overnight. Start with one task, like automating your next follow-up sequence. Build confidence, then expand. Momentum matters more than mastery. You don't need another AI app. You need a system that saves time, drives revenue, and runs without constant oversight. Start with a real problem. Build a workflow. Measure the result. That's how you stop spinning your wheels and start scaling with AI. If this helped, hit like and subscribe.